Hello anime fans, welcome back to our channel CANDYFLIX, your ultimate stop for all the latest anime news and updates. So today I've got some super exciting news for all the Fire Force fans. The release date for Fire Force Season 3 Part 2 is finally confirmed. So for those who don't know, the Fire Force is an action-packed anime created by Atsushi Ohkubo, the same creator of Soul Eater. The story takes place in a world where people suddenly burst into flames and turn into fiery monsters called Infernals. To fight them, a brave team known as the Fire Force was formed. Our main hero, Shinra, joins Company 8 to uncover the truth behind these Infernals and the mysterious fire that destroys his family. With its epic battles, emotional storytelling, and stunning animation, Fire Force has become one of the most loved modern anime series. So, Season 3 Part 1 gave fans some incredible moments and major twists, leaving everyone eagerly waiting for what's next. So, and now the wait is almost over because Fire Force Season 3 Part 2 is officially set to release in January 2026. Shinra and the team will be back soon with even more action, drama, and flames that will light up the new year. So get ready, guys, Fire Force fans. If you are as excited as I am, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CANDYFLIX, and stay tuned for more anime release updates. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.